so many of us have spent our lives pouring into everyone else. So in this video, I am going to show you how to build something that is going to pour back into you. Well, thank you guys for tuning into the channel today. My name is Coach Sam, and I teach women and men of all ages how to start their own faceless channels and turn those faceless channels into endless revenue streams. In fact, I made over $580,000 in just last month using this technique. And you guys, it only takes 20 minutes. Yes, I said it. It only takes 20 minutes to get started. So in this video, I am going to show you how you're going to start your own faceless channel, start making revenue, and doing this in 20 minutes per day. That is all it's going to take. So no more working 8 hours a day. No more slaving, you guys. We are pouring back into ourselves, and we are building our channels and our businesses for us. So you guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video, because I'm going to show you the simple and easy way to do this. So as you guys know, I am the Faceless Channel Queen. I have 5 channels on YouTube, and I have 5 channels on TikTok. And those channels in just this month alone brought me in over $580,000. And I'm going to share with you guys what my channels are. So first of all, I have a budgeting channel, and I use this budgeting channel for single moms. The second thing, you guys, I have a debt channel, and I use the debt channel for retirees and college students. My third channel, you guys, is a resume channel. My fourth channel, you guys, is a motivational channel. And my fifth channel is a biblical channel. Those 5 channels have literally transformed my life, and it has transformed so many other women and men, their lives. They have been successful with their channels, and I am so glad to be the one to teach this, okay? So, like I said before, you guys, I actually teach this. And you guys, let me tell you, before we get into the video, I do want to let you guys know we do have a program. We have a community, you guys. So everything that you see here is going to be a part of my program that I created specifically for us. If you are overworked, if you are tired, if you really don't know anything about YouTube or about how to make money online, that program is going to be the program for you. Not only does it include everything that you see here, but you guys, I have already made your content so that you don't have to guess what to put out here. This is proven content that I have on my channel. What I did, you guys, was re-record this content for you. So all you have to do is post, and take from my content. The second thing, you guys, is I have digital products. Every digital product that you need to put on your channel is already there. And you guys, there are over 7,000 digital products in my program for you to choose from. That means this allows you to make additional income. And you guys, also in the program, it is a community of us, you guys. It is over 2,000 of us who are taking the leap forward and making these channels work for us. Yes, I'm so excited to be just a leader of this and just to show you guys, because guess what, guys? They won't give us the information, but Coach Sam is no gatekeeper, and I am busting open the world of faceless channels and of making your money, okay? So not only are you going to get that, but you're also going to get the community. In our community, you guys, it is actually a grow group. The grow group, you guys, allows you to get monetized very quickly on these channels, because not only are we a community, but you guys, we help each other. We watch each other's videos. We will follow each other's channels so that you do have those 1,000 followers. And last but not least, you guys, we have my mentorship. So I do free mentorship classes every every single Sunday, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, you guys. And if you're not there, they will be recorded, but you're gonna get my monetization for absolutely free. And Coach Sam is doing this because I want you to learn, I want you to grow, I want you to get this down, and I want you to make your money. So you guys, all of that is going to be included in the program. All you have to do is click the link below and it is included, okay? Also, you guys, we are going to start learning about the stock market. I have made so much money in the stock market. It is absolutely crazy. That is really one of the best streams of income. And you guys, we talk about stocks in our community. So make sure you're there because you're really getting 3 courses for the price of 1. And like I said before, you guys, this is all because God has just empowered me to share this information. God has given me the gift of knowing this, and I gotta give it to you. So you guys, what I want you guys to put in the comment section, which is the inspiration of the day, is God will guide my path. God will lead me to freedom and retirement, okay? So what I want you guys to do is put that in the comment section, but let's get to this because I'm blowing over the covers. This is what you're gonna do in the 20 minutes a day, you guys. Can you imagine that? So we are exchanging our 9-to-5 jobs for 20 minutes per day, and you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars with your Faceless channel using the steps and the information that I am going to show you in this video. Let's get to it. Okay, so right now, you guys, we are going to go. All right, you guys, so let me show you how easy it is to create that 20-minute a day channel. And like I told you guys before, I am so excited to be sharing with you guys this because these channels can literally change your entire life. And you guys, we are only spending 20 minutes a day on these channels. That's how super simple, super easy it is to do this, okay? So what you're gonna do, and like I told you guys before, everything is included within the course. And so literally you get all of this plus my mentorship, your monetization community, and you guys, your step-by-step course. You guys, I literally built you everything in a box. All you have to do is post, okay? We are posting our way to being a millionaire, and I love it, okay? So the first thing you're going to do, this is included. So you're gonna look under your link to products. This is in your link to products, okay? You are going to go to either Melanin 1 or 2, and you guys, this literally has over 800 pieces of content. Nobody's channel is going to be the same, okay? Nobody's channel is going to be the same. And if you're a beginner, I am going to show you the one channel that you need to start right here, right now. And it is going to be a motivational channels. Motivational channels do extremely well and they are super duper profitable. So let me show you how to do it, okay? So we're going to go here to Melanin 1. So after we go over here to Melanin 1, you guys, we're going to go right here. And let me tell you, faceless content, this type of content, you guys, this is what really hooks your viewers. And then you guys, we're turning our viewers into buyers. We're hooking them on our shorts and on our reels, you guys, because like I told you guys before, what gets my channel noticed every single time is not the big long videos, you guys. It is the short videos, the 6 to 7 second reels. That's where you're going to get your channel noticed. That channel is going to go viral, and you're going to be able to link your digital product in there so you can sell your digital product, okay? And we're doing all of this in less than 20 minutes. You guys, I'm gonna show you how to do it in 5 minutes. So let's go. Now, in this bundle, you guys, you have that viral type of content that social media just eats up, the type of content social media loves, okay? This is the type of content. So you guys, this content, like I said before, you guys, is viral. So look, it's gonna make it look like you are standing in front of a really nice car. You guys, and let me tell y'all, The content that really gets my channel there is the vacation content, you guys. Everybody wants to see what you're doing on vacation, even if you are in your hometown, okay? This type of content goes so viral on social media, and you guys, that's why I absolutely love it, okay? So it's content like this. Listen, it is content where you are taking a nice little bath, anything that will grab their attention for those aesthetics, okay? YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook, they love aesthetics. They absolutely love the aesthetics, you guys. Give them aesthetics, okay? So what we're going to do here, you guys, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to go ahead and to create the channel and just post. And you guys, we're all doing this in less than 20 minutes. You guys, what you can do is batch content. And when I say batch content, I mean take 5 of these, and then I'm gonna show you what to do with it. So all you're gonna do is pick out your content, okay? That's all you're gonna do is pick out the content. After you have picked out your content, you guys, what we're going to do is we are going to take this content right into YouTube. We're gonna add some text to it, you guys. You can take this into YouTube, you can take this into TikTok. You're gonna add the quotes in here, okay? So how to do that is, listen, all you have to do is select the one you want. Go to share, and you guys go to download. Do not download 1 through 402 pages. Do not do that. You will have no storage, no space in your phone. So don't do that. What we're going to do, you guys, we are going to go to select pages. Let's go to current page. Go to the current page. You are going to hit done. And then you guys, you're going to hit download. After you have done that, what I want you guys to do is go right in here to ChatGPT. Now, what we're going to ask ChatGPT is give us 10 motivational quotes that do very well on TikTok and YouTube Reels and Shorts. So after you have that, you guys, just pick one of these, and you can literally do it right here. You can highlight it, go to copy, and once you copy, you can copy the words right into TikTok. You can copy them right into YouTube in their edit page, and then post. When I tell you guys, this is the quickest, the easiest way to do this, where it's no stress to you, but you are still making hundreds of thousands of dollars off of this content. Like I said, I don't want you out there filming this content, because y'all, this content takes a very long time to film. It takes a very long time to get this content. You guys, I have it all in there for you. Do not waste time on choosing the content when it's already there for you. You can have this channel up and together within 20 minutes, and you can have it bringing you tons of income. Like I said, you guys, I made $580,000. $580,000 with these same shorts. If I can do it, I know that you can too. And like I said, I want to teach you how to do this. What I want you guys to do is click the link in the bio, go to my full program, my full course, and come meet me Sunday. I want to help you change your life. And you guys, we are going to be the first millionaires in our family in 2026. 2026 will be the year that you tell your boss, I'm not coming back. I am not coming back, because these channels are doing my work. You guys, I love y'all. I want y'all to succeed. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. I love you. See you.